Good news for employees in Kenya. In 2026, filing your KRA tax returns has been made much easier. You no longer need to upload your P9 form if you only have employment income. Okay? In this video, I'll show you how to file your returns using the simplified return option on the iTax website. So before we start, I would kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video, like this video and share with a friend so that he can also benefit from it. So without wasting time, you first log into your KRA iTax account. You key in click continue, then you key in your password. If you have forgotten your password, there is a video I have posted for you. Kindly make sure you scroll down and go and watch that video on how to retrieve your password and reset a new password. And I'm sure it will be helpful. So you answer the security question 109 minus 10, that will be 99. We log in. Then this is on the KRA website or the KRA portal. On the menu, option returns. Then you click on initially I used to file using either this one, ITR for employment income tax only, but using this one you will be required to have a P9 form, or you file using this option which is file returns. You will also need to have a P9 form, but in this case this year KRA have simplified everything. Here you come to option simplified returns and you further go to ITR for employment income only option. You click that. Then on this window you just verify if this is your PIN, save. You are filing returns on income tax residence, that is the tax obligation for the year starting from 1st January 2025 that 1st December of 2025. Remember, you are filing for last year, but if in case you didn't file for last year, you will first require to file for 2024, then 2025. Then you click next. Then this video will just pop in. Then what is required for you is just to verify what the KRA has uploaded for you. Already it has been done for you, so your work is just to verify tax due, and the tax refund due is minus 0.36, which is okay. Then you just click submit, and there you have a question. Are you sure you want to submit? Click yes, and that is it. Filed your return, and now you can download your return receipt for future reference, and that is our receipt. Well done and well filed. That is it. If this video has helped you to file your returns, you are able to file them successfully, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share the video to your friends, then hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post any other video on this channel. So that is it for today. God bless you. See you in the next one.